Hi, today I'm friend of Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that scroll down to sounds and vibration. Here we will see media, call, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volume of the notification, for example, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to use the Dolby items, you should just click here and just tap once on, click here to next, continue, allow, and just to swatch it here. Just to turn on or turn off don't disturb mode, we should click here. To use the crystal talk, also we should use the switcher. To use the multi-volume feature, just we should click on the switcher or to turn it on or to turn it off. To change the ringtone, phone ringtone, we should use these sections. If you want to use live captions, just click once here and tap on the switcher to activate them or to turn them off. If you want to be in the media player or to show media recommendations, you should also use the switchers. To turn on or turn off the vibration for calls, never always vibrate first then ring gradually. We should just switch it here. Just to turn on or turn off the shortcut to private ringing, we should use that switcher. Here we can change notification and alarm sounds, and here just to turn on or turn off dial buttons, outgoing calls, vibrations, screen lock, unlock sound, charging sounds, or vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, and power on sounds. So we should use the switchers here. If you want to pick up your device to silence, just click here and use the switcher. Now let's go back. Click also to, if you want to use the flip for D&D, we should use the switcher. And just to use media controls, just to change the tracks, you should also use the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.